is it okay if I walk around?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah?
It's even more authentic.
And of course it goes in. Okay. I'm gonna have to go in and out like 20,000 times today. Do like a little cut, come back, a little cut, come back. More. You want to learn my tricks? Yeah, I'm trying to fill in the gap that's between the frame around the hood and the ceiling. And because the ceiling is wavy, I have to cope it. So there's a secret technique. I mean, it was secret before you filmed it. Now everybody knows it. I'm essentially making a spacer that's the same height, or leftover scrap piece, same height as the piece that I'm starting with. I'm attaching it flush with the frame, and I'm essentially removing from the existing piece exactly the height that I need for whatever is left to fit exactly, copying the shape of the ceiling. So I used to measure in multiple points, get the height and the variation in the wall or the ceiling, and then trace a line between those multiple points. With this trick with the block, so much easier. Okay. Now, let's see, will it work on this one too? It might. Because this, you could cut the spacer, let's say it varies from 1 3/4 to 1 5/8 or 1 1/2. There are people that would say 1/8 of an inch gap, it's not a problem. Anyway, you're gonna be doing like a latex line all the way around. So it's gonna be covered with caulking or painting it or plaster. But why? If it could be traced exactly with the shape that the wall has, it's gonna make the cabinetry look so much more built-in, custom, one-off. Why not do it? It's gonna take a little bit longer, but we are offering a one-off product, right? It's not just installing some cabinets. 2 inches. smooth so that we don't scratch the ceiling. Ooh, look at this. I feel like I say a lot, but I'm not sure it makes sense. So look, this is a straight edge, right? Right here. So this, when it was meeting the ceiling, it looked like it was straight, right? Look at this. The unevenness. Look at that, how much that is off the piece. So if I would have cut it straight, I would have had to cut it at its thinnest, right? So that it fits in the space. I would have been, what is this? Like almost a quarter inch, 3/16 of an inch smaller. And look at the waves, right? You can see this one here, right? That one there. So the way you see it right now on the piece here, you would have seen it on the ceiling. But because the piece actually copies, and I think, can you see it like this to see how, can you see how wavy it is actually? So this is the shape of the ceiling copied in a straight piece. So now it has a straight edge at the bottom because my frame is perfectly straight, and it has a wavy shape at the top which follows the contour of the ceiling. And then when you put it in, and every time it fits, you have to go like this. So you put it there, you put it here, and you go, ooh, elevated. And again, you go, ooh, ta-da. There goes 2 hours of my life. Almost 1 3/4.
When we first came to the space, we took the preliminary measurements. Then we sat down with the clients. We had a Zoom meeting. We sort of got a little bit of guidance from them in terms of lifestyle and what they were looking to have done in the space. Then we started working on preliminary designs, and basically the idea behind this was to make a space that would be perfect for entertaining. What happened? Client wanted a showpiece, wanted a showcase kitchen, because we're also creating the butler's pantry where all the messy parts are going to happen, all the prepping is going to happen. So this is going to be more for entertaining and for show. So in order to do that, we needed to implement some elements, like a feature back wall with what we have is a fluted hood encasing with fluted panels on 3 sides, an island with a wood frame to sort of mimic the frame on the back of the wall, and fluted panels on the back as well. If you have the space to conceal the mess, like the small appliances and the prep space and the second sink and a second dishwasher, why not?
Tell me, why not?
Why not? Just tell.
Do you have an excuse? No, so do it. So bougie.
Bougie. Bragging rights.